Astronomers are extremely excited and intrigued about the possibility of a new planet that they recently glimpsed in the night sky. Astronomers were able to see a bright spot in a space close to Alpha Centauri A, and this may be evidence of asteroids or dust or a new planet. Astronomers may have observed what may be previously an unknown planet circling one of the closest stars close to Earth. According to researchers, they spotted the bright dot near Alpha Centauri A, one of a pair of stars that swing around each other so tightly that they appear as one in the southern constellation of Centaurus. The stars form what is called a binary system, which exists 4.37 light years away from Earth, which is a mere stone's throw in cosmic or astronomical terms. Tentatively, the scientists have observed what they are referring to as a planet candidate. They are aware that the bright dot in the darkness of space may be evidence of alien asteroids, streaks of dust, or more prosaically, an unforeseen technical glitch with their equipment. However, they are quite sure that they have detected something in the darkness of space. It could be an artifact in the machine, or it could be a planet, or it could be asteroids or dust. The international research team observed the star as part of the new Earths in the Alpha Centauri region, using near experiment that was supported by Breakthrough Watch, an effort to find and study Earth-sized rocky planets close to Alpha Centauri and other nearby stars. According to the researchers, to look for planets around the star, they used the Very Large Telescope, operated by the European Southern Observatory, from Cerro Paranal in Chile's Atacama Desert. The scientists were helped by a new coronagraph on the instrument that blocks out light from Alpha Centauri, making it easier to observe orbiting worlds. According to the scientists, using the device amounts to blotting out the sun with a thumb at arm's reach. The procedure allows for unprecedented sensitivity to directly imaging planets beyond the solar system. They are trying to see a flashlight right next to a lighthouse. The research team has described how infrared observations for 100 hours in May and June 2019 revealed a bright dot they have been unable to explain. If confirmed as a planet by further observations, the sighting would be the first to be a direct image of an exoplanet close to such a nearby star. It is the opinion of many persons that planets cannot form in this kind of binary system, and that's one reason that many scientists are cautious about claiming that it is actually a planet. But if it is a planet, it would be about the size of Neptune. The planet would lie in the star's habitable zone, where temperatures allow liquid water to form and take approximately 10 years to complete an orbit. Neptune is about 4 times the size of Earth and does not have a solid surface. Instead, it has an Earth-sized core enveloped by a thick soup of water, ammonia and methane. The latter gas makes Uranus give off a blue color, similarly to the color that is displayed by Neptune. Many persons are of the belief that this would be an interesting candidate for a planet, but they are trying to be cautious about this newly seen bright spot near Alpha Centauri. They say that it will require a separate independent detection to really confirm that this bright spot is actually a planet. However, if it is confirmed, it could be a detection of the dust disk around the star or an actual planet. Both of these would be very interesting outcomes. The research team wanted to have a second look at the bright spot later in 2021 to see if the candidate planet had moved to where predictions suggest it should be. But of course, it was also mentioned that fresh observations might not be possible with the pandemic still ongoing. The binary system that exists in the Centauri constellation is quite fascinating. And of course, if there were to be the discovery or the detection of a new planet so close to Earth's closest star, of course it would be further intriguing for the astronomical world. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.